feeling harder. You turn my heart up, throw me in water. I'm getting higher just to feel ya, cause I need to. No one knows it, heart is frozen from your poison. Taking the potion just to feel ya, cause I miss you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're nothing. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. I think that I think I'm overdosing.
Okay, so am I audible? Yeah. So good morning, everyone, or good evening. That totally depends upon which side of the world you live in. But I most expectedly expect you to live in India. So here it is good afternoon. So good afternoon, and yeah. So in earlier videos there was part one, part two, and part three. I completed the folder CRUD operations, the bookmark CRUD operations, the login part, sign up part, and until now I've completed some front end. So let's just jump into the app and let's just see what all I have done. Okay, so yeah, so basically this is not the final outcome of what my app will look like, but yeah, uh, pretty much the same. Let me just log in. Okay, and I don't think this is the best possible front end for my app, but yeah, it works for me very well, and I think I'll just stick to it for now. Okay, so you can see there are no hovering actions for this, and but if you hover over these the folders, they'll just transform to a greater scale. That is I've used transform. In CSS we have a transform property using which you can scale the current width and height of your divs. So I've just used 1.1 for width and 1.1 for height. That is what was the default width and height for the divs. They will transform to a scale of 1.1 and 1.1, okay, of width and height respectively. So the result is whenever I hover over them, they'll just increase in size, as you can see. Okay, so now I have three buttons for them. Okay, this is a very famous button, all of you know. The rocket sign usually shows you to open something. Okay, the pencil sign always shows you to edit something, and this is a bin sign, that is dustbin or bin, the words we use. This is for deleting something. Okay, so I've also used a package called Sweet Alert 2. This is an npm package, very used to handy package, very user friendly package. So using this you can give some pop-ups to your app. Okay, so for example I'll just show you. No, first let me show you the forms that I've earlier. You had seen there was a form above this div where my create folder is placed. There was a form there. So what I did is I added a functionality using which if I click this create folder, the form will appear, and whenever I close that form, it will again go back. Let me show you. If I click on create folder, so you can see this form is the form pops up. So for now I don't like, I think I'm quite happy with the form front end, the styling part. Okay, I don't think I'll change it because it almost matches with my the colors matches with my the colors that I have used in the front end, sorry, in the home page. But I'm not happy with the way it closes and it opens up. Okay, I think I have to add some any animations for that, because that will make it look more better. So let me just show you. I don't think I have a YouTube. Yeah, I don't have a YouTube one. So let me add a YouTube links folder, and if I click on create, it shows me after the backend sends the backend sends the message that the folder has been created. This message pops up from the backend. Okay, this is from the backend message that I am sending. The folder has been created. So if I click on OK, you can see the folder has been created here. Now if I close this form, and now I can move to my new folder. So suppose if I click on this folder to open this, this thing will be open. And one more thing I'm lacking on this bookmark pages, I want a dashboard, back to dashboard page button, so that I can move back to my dashboard thing. Because for now I have to go click on this button, or in new laptops you all know that you can just slide over to left for moving to the previous link that you were there. So for now I have to use this to go back to my previous list. So I think I'll just add a button over here to go back to my dashboard page. That's pretty easy. I wanted to share with you one thing, that all these things I've added in the global CSS page. So in Angular you have a style.css file in which you can add your global CSS, which will be used throughout your app. So all the sorry, this box shadow thing, the buttons styling, the form styling, all have been placed in my global CSS. Now, if I want any other styling to be added in my page, then I'll add the respective styling in that CSS. Okay. So for this create bookmark, let me open my bookmark YouTube first. So if I open my YouTube, suppose I want to open a NCS one. So suppose I want to, I like this song. Okay, I like this song. I'll just click on the link. The link you can copy it from here, or the simply the link you have right here. So after that you can just click on bookmark. Also, one more thing is missing is the hovering effect. For now I don't like this hovering effect that it creates, like it does only the black thing. Okay, I'll just improve that. So now if you create, so this form pops up. As you remember, this form layout is similar to my create folder layout, so that just suits up my app. So the title, you can write the NCS song. The link I'll just paste it here. And I like this song, the description. So one thing that is I am missing here is, I'll just show you. Now if I create this, so as the my backend sends the message that the bookmark has been added, it just shows me there. This thing is done using my sweet alert to that package. Okay. So if I close my form now, I can see the bookmark has been added here. So one more thing that I want to add in here is the description part. The description I am getting from my backend, but I am not displaying it here. I'll just add another paragraph below this title that will show my description here. I think that will be quite fine for now. Okay. So now if I click on this the rocket button, you can see it opens up on a new tab, and the same link opens. Okay, the same link opens. Just close it for now. So same link opens. And for edit, I had not shown you the earlier in the earlier videos. The edit part was shown in the earlier videos for the folder part, but not for the bookmark part. So I'll just show you. So if you click in edit, this form pops up. Okay, and now you can edit the form like see a song, it is it is Fabian, the title, just the title, Fabian Mazur. I don't know, but yeah, this is what I written, and I like the description of the song. Now if you click on update, the bookmark has been updated, and you can see the title has changed. Okay, one more thing, as you can see I have added is, I'll just show you. Suppose you write a very long thing. Okay, very long title. So what it will do is, it will just click on show me your dot sign. Okay, so for this I've only done the work for only this dot. This is very easy. I think I've used text. What was that? I'll just show you. Okay, what I have done for this. So this is a very simple HTML property. I'm just forgetting the name. So I've done this for this. And in the next stages I think I'll add what it is called tooltip. Yeah, tooltip. So what is tooltip is, suppose if you hover over something you had seen in other sites, that if you hover over something, uh, it yeah, if you hover over something, uh, it shows a tooltip, that is a message about that button. So similar is for the delete thing. If you click on delete, ও মা পরে হতো তো করে দাও না মা, এটা এটা পরে হতো না মা, এটা পরে করে নাও। জামাটা পরে যাও বলো, মানে এমনি বললাম তোমাকে বন্ধ করো, অমনি করো না। So yes, so a thing pops up, that is, are you sure you will not be able to recover this bookmark? So there are two options: yes, delete it, or no, keep it. If you click on no, keep it, so it says your bookmark is safe. And if you click on OK, you can see your bookmark is still there. But if you delete and you say yes, delete it, then it goes to the backend, and when it sends the a message of the folder has been deleted, it will show you the bookmark has been deleted. Okay, so you can see the bookmark has been deleted. One more functionality that I'm planning to add is open all. So what this open all will do is, I'll just show you. Suppose, so you can see I have to do so much back. I can just click on dashboard. That was a problem. Okay, so suppose in this group of classroom account. Okay, so if I open this, see I have two accounts. Okay, one Gmail ID one and one my college one. Okay, so for this what I'll do, suppose I want to open both the accounts. Okay, so I have to click on this first, then click on this first. So that will be quite tedious thing to do. As you all know, this is not in my case, I am sure about that. You all also will face the same issue, that whenever you open Chrome, you all have some basic or default tabs you always want to open. That is, for me it is GitHub, Gmail, YouTube, or the Google Classroom, or these 4 5 tabs always have to be kept open for me. Okay, I always want those. So for that what I'll do is, suppose I'll just create a folder named Abhinav Essentials, my name and Essentials. Okay, and in that I'll just store the bookmarks that I always want to open whenever I open Chrome. So you all just have to open my site, that is this site, and I'll just open my folder, that is Abhinav Essentials. I'll just see my all my essential for bookmarks are there or not. If not, I'll just create a bookmark and add the book any other bookmark that I want to add, and just create on open all. So what this open all will do is, it will just create the bookmarks, the different links on other different tabs. So basically I don't want to so I don't have to open new links on new tabs every time. I'll just click on one button, and that will do my job. So yes, I think I have completed my app. If you have any advice, I'll just do these things. The home page, I'll just create the home page. Home page is of course not ready. I want to add some more things. The about us page does not show only anything, so I'll just add a about us page. I'll just remove this thing. I don't want to add some pricing or anything. Okay, so I'll just remove this thing. So yeah, I'll just some things are missing. That is the about this page, some more write up, and yeah, the thing is done. Okay, and one more thing. I'll just, I think I've not seen this. Let me see first. The sign up. Yeah, so you can see the sign up form is looking somewhat like this. So what I'll do is, I'm thinking of adding a illustration. You all know what is illustration is. Illustrations are basically these things. Okay, I'll show you. These things are illustrations. Okay, so these are I have found a website that is free. I'll just if you want, I can link the thing to the description. So those illustrations can be added to these forms. That will look pretty good to the right side. And yes, with that, my app is completed. If you have any suggestions for anything else other than this in my app, you can just comment or just email me anything you want. Okay. I can also I will also link uh, I will also link the how much time? Okay, 15 minutes. I will also link the GitHub link in my description. Few issues are opened. You can always send PR on those or open some issues or any kind of help that you can do to me. Okay? Or you can always write in the comment if you want any help from me. So yeah, I have the front end. I can show you the front end now, but I think um, it's not necessary for now. Okay. So the front end and back end I can show you, but yeah, it's not necessary. This was only a demo video. This whole series was a demo thing, and yeah, in 4 parts I've completed. So thank you if you watched all this, and I'll just move to my next. I'll just continue learning REST APIs. I just love those, and more than front end, yeah. And after that, I'll just move to another project, and I'll open a new series.